Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and today we're checking out an awesome new app that I've been currently using now for a few days, and that application is called Diary Dingo. So, Diary Dingo, just by the name of it, it's a diary application where you can write down your thoughts or anything you want to write down in this app. So, let's take a look of the application. So this is pretty much the home screen of the application when you open the app. That's how it looks and everything. So it's very simple, easy to read, and I just like the design. It's just not too much is going on. So first off, of course, in the hamburger section here, you have your settings area. So here, if you want to add a passcode, so if you don't want other people to read your thoughts and everything, or your private diary, then you can add the passcode. If you want to change the appearance as well, you could change the appearance. What I really like about what the developer did here is add the haptic. So if you don't want to have haptic feedback, then you don't have to have that. But I really like it. I just like the feeling of the haptic feedback, so I have it always turned on as well. If you want to get alerts as well. And what's also awesome, and it's rare that a developer does this, is how this application came alive and about, and where he got the idea. It's just a really nice story that developer added here of how the application came to be, and the story of Dingo, which I guess is the dog, is the name of the dog. And so yeah, that's pretty much it in the settings area. And another cool thing about this application is that your quick thoughts area or quick idea. So here, if you have quick ideas, you can also use this application just to remind yourself if you think of a new idea. Maybe you're walking around and you have an idea for something, you could just open the app and write down your idea. And it's really simple, easy to use, and it's just really blank so that you know that you're only here to write down ideas and that's it. So the journaling part of it, it's really simple. You click on this, you click on, there we go. So you click on the create here, and then from here you get different emotions of the dingo, mascot of the application here. So if you're happy, if you're shy or something, you're angry, you're bored, you're okay, you're exhausted. So there's different emotions depending on how you feel throughout the day or throughout the time when you were creating your first diary note. And then you click on next. And then what I also like about this, if you want to add a photo, you can add a photo. If you don't, you don't have to. And then right here, you get to start adding a title and writing down your thoughts in the diary. And then you just click save, and it's saved, and that's it. So super simple, easy to use. And this is how it looks when you have a finished diary product. So you click on like I have here, nothing exciting, and I added a picture, so that's how it looks. It's really beautiful. I just like the picture look of it. I just like how the developer did this. And then of course the font and everything, it just looks really beautiful. And then you have the emotion of how you were feeling that time during when you were writing this diary information. So yeah, it's just a really simple application, like I said, and I just like it because of the different emotions. The design of the application is really beautiful, easy to use. The app is not free, but if you want to have a simple diary application support developer, then I highly recommend you guys go check this application out. And that's pretty much it. Now there are some stuff that there are missing in this application since it is a new application. But the things that I really like and the most important stuff already built into the app. I wish maybe the developer might release a widget in the future or something, with a little bit much more information. But other than that, I really like right now the look and the feel of this application, and it's just really nice and simple to use if you just want to have a diary application or a quick ideas app where you can write down your ideas. So that's pretty much it for this app review of Diary Dingo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. If you guys did enjoy this video, it would mean the world to me if you guys will hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and that's pretty much it. And as always, I will see you guys later. Peace.